Hi, I'm Dale Simpson. I'm the National Sales Manager for a company named J.Assy Agricultural, located in Brazil. But today we're here at the Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa in 2018. And again, we're introducing the Selenium seed meter. It's a vacuum seed meter that was developed in Brazil for the Brazilian market. And we've got farmers here in the U.S. that are interested in seed metering technology and some of the new innovations that we have here. You know, a lot of people are looking to be more efficient, and we've had a lot of folks ask us how we differentiate this product out here. And the key one is in crop changeover. It's very quick, very easy. When you want to change from one seed crop, from corn to soybeans, it's simply popping out one kit and replacing it with another kit. No need to mess around with singulators, knockout wheels, small pins, and this sort of thing. I can show you a demonstration on the meter over here right now. If we're going to change over from corn to soybeans, it's very simple. You simply open the door, take out one kit for corn, lock it, and we're done. You don't have to worry with singulators, knockout wheels, or little springs or cotter pins that can fall on the ground. So we used it this year in Iowa, planted over 800 acres, and found it to be very good on singulation. Seed placement was great, and we're looking forward to seeing a lot of them coming out in the field in the coming years. So thanks for stopping by.